Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites. Update Roblox, Windows, and your GPU driver because mismatched software causes crashes. Next, clear Roblox temp files and app cache to remove corrupted state. This often resolves startup failures. Once done, close resource-heavy background apps and overlays like Discord or OBS since they interfere with game rendering and memory. Make sure to reboot after these changes, so the system loads fresh drivers and settings before you relaunch Roblox. Now you move into deeper troubleshooting. Run Roblox as administrator and try compatibility mode to bypass permission or API conflicts. These steps address common access-related crashes. Then open Event Viewer to capture crash codes and faulting module names so you know what to target, which saves time. Finally, lower in-game graphics, disable VSync, and reduce character and texture quality to decrease RAM pressure. These adjustments stop crashes tied to GPU overload or memory fragmentation. To finish, perform a clean reinstall of Roblox. Uninstall, delete leftover Roblox folders in app data and program files, then reinstall so corrupted binaries are replaced. Test the game on a different Windows user account to rule out profile-specific issues. If it runs there, your original profile is corrupted. If problems persist, boot into safe mode with networking to isolate third-party conflicts. Troubleshooting tip: if crashes continue, capture the exact error code and search for that module. Targeted fixes are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.